everybody, it's Neil, and I have lost so much weight. I've gotten so much skinnier. I went from like a 34, 36 or something like that waist to probably close to a 30. So I went and got myself some of these belts. So we're gonna check these things out. These are pretty low profile-ish looking belts. So here we go. This is what it looks like. It says Women and Men Belt. Right there is the one there. And there's, I guess it's by XZQTIVE. I guess they want to use a lot of obscure letters. But okay, so this is what it looks like here. So it is, the belt is definitely adjustable to be for a huge person, but what's good about it is, see, it's elastic. So I got it because it was pretty unobtrusive looking belt. You see the clip is just almost nothing here. It's just a slide in thing. Hopefully it'll stay together with it. Well, it might slide out a little bit. So I guess you gotta just watch how you put it together, or put it together correctly there. And let's just try this thing and see how it works. Just holding on to my, the pants I have now, I don't even know if they have a belt loop. They don't, they're just bungee. So I can see that, but we'll just try it here, and I'm all twisted up here. So this one here, I guess I didn't really adjust too much, but it's a little tight, but it's not bad. So it just goes like that, you see, and you're not gonna, if you bend over, it's not gonna hurt because you don't have some big old buckle. You could even probably turn it to the side or something like that and just have it on the side and nobody will ever know. It's just kind of a belt that you can wear that won't interfere much, and it's actually fairly attractive. It's just black, so you can't go too wrong with that. And it actually came with, I don't know, it came with 4 of them for some reason. There's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all the same. So I don't know why I need 4 necessarily, but I guess I'll take one on my trip here that I'm going on now, because I'll be wearing some pants. Then I lost so much weight that I won't need them anymore. But then I got them for some ski pants too when I go skiing and some other stuff. So definitely kind of cool. It's nice the way they're stretchy like that, and they stretch a lot. So pretty much should fit on anything. So I like it. So these are good. Thumbs up from me. I'll be wearing them shortly, and if there's any reason to update it, I don't know, probably not. But if you look at it, you can see the stitching on it is super strong, so that's not going anywhere. And then on the clip here, same thing, stitching is really strong, and the clip is made out of metal. I don't know how it'll break or anything. Just seems good. Doesn't seem like there could be anything wrong with it. So I like it. Links in the description for these. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.